Hi, I'm Dijan. I would like to touch upon a very hot spot, soft spot for all of us, relationships. I bet you had your heart broken one too many times. I bet you felt like you're not loved in the way that you actually need. I bet you found yourself in dysfunctional relationships that do not really serve you. And sometimes that dysfunctional relationship is with yourself, in fact. So one way or another, we all develop patterns in relationships that do not really serve us. During this free live workshop, I would like to share with you 10 different ways to break bad relationship patterns. I am a meditation and classical tantra teacher and a certified yoga therapist. So my tools are from the traditional tantra teachings. We will be working with the 10 archetypes called the 10 wisdom goddesses and explore how they act through us in our relationships. Sometimes we grab onto the shadow part and sometimes we grab onto the light. So during this 2 to 3 hours work, you will be able to explore how they act through you, how to harness their powers, and how to navigate these powers. The methods I will use will be meditation, breath work, body work, ritual, so that you have an experience of different ways of working with these archetypes and choose what really flows well for you. To become a part of this beautiful work and to do something good for yourself, all you need to do is securing your spot by signing up, following the button instructions, clicking on, registering, so that we know that you're going to be there, and we're going to send you the link and all the necessary information about the workshop that you will be joining in. Thank you very much for your attention, and I really hope to see you there and connect with you.